Particularly love the sound of that 4-string either. Now it may be also too deep in here, and it may be that when I get me some super glue I'm going to need to splash a little bit in that fret also. Now I'm going to test it here. It's just a kind of an unofficial little test, but what I'm going to do is take a piece of paper, slip up under that string, between that string and that nut slot. See how that sounds. See, that's better. It seems better to me. You know, there's so many things you can do with a banjo, and I mentioned that these videos I'm making right now could be very boring if you're not interested in banjos, but if you are, there's a lot that you can do to change the sound of a banjo. Even if you have a really crappy sounding banjo, if you just are patient and take your time and work through and try things, you'd be surprised how much better you can make one sound. Move that bridge. I'm going to move it again a little bit. Get the bridge just right. That matters. I think might be wrong with that 4-string. It almost seems like it might be too close to the edge of the neck. Actually, I'm noticing the same thing with the 5th string. Maybe that the neck needs to move that way. No. Yes, no. The other way. I'll give this a little chiropractic adjustment. No, that's the wrong way. However, think I'm gonna leave it right there. And I'll go to town and get some super glue later and work on that some more. And in the meantime, I'll run back up the house and make some dance videos for Honey Baby and Robert. I'm thinking if I make the video about him cleaning up after 9/11, I'm probably not going to put it out until next year around the anniversary, because you know, for the last week everybody everywhere has been saying don't forget, and I think what I might do is make it, study on it, set it aside, because I want to do a good job on it, and then hold it till next year when everybody's saying don't forget. That might be a good time to put it out. One of the things that I got from Robert yesterday is that it's hard for him when people say don't forget, because he don't want to remember. I mean, you know, a lot of times people saying don't forget, but I think they forget that the people who suffered because of that, they don't want to think about it. They don't want to remember it. They don't want to be reminded of it. Everybody's saying don't forget, and he's out there trying to look away and not hear all that because he wants to forget. I mean, think about it. Makes sense. Makes sense to me anyway. All right. More later. Love y'all.